Hello everyone, welcome to some basic tech, and today I'm going to talk about how you can verify which service or application is consuming high resources on your system, and high resources in the sense CPU, memory, or a disk, and you can include network as well. So you have to just simply open Task Manager on your system, like I'm just doing it. Just type, you have open Start menu, type Task Manager, and there are multiple way to open it, so this is just one of them. And see, I just opened it, and if you want to verify which application is consuming high CPU, then you can just simply click on the top, and it should list all the high consuming applications or services. And similarly, if you want, then you can verify with the memory, disk, okay, and network as well. But the primary thing is memory, because it really consumes a lot of things, and we can simply come here, verify if something is consuming more than expected, any application, any service, or maybe sometimes Windows update or Windows Explorers are consuming a lot of resources from the machine. So we can simply do a lot of other resolving or troubleshooting steps to resolve the issue. So uh, the first thing is you can simply right click and end task. There should be an end task here. This is just, I know this is the Windows Explorer, so it does not provide. If you click here, you can see end task. And if you click somewhere here, yes, you can see end task, and it can be end task. Okay. And similarly, for OBS Studio, this is consuming 500 plus, MB, and this is expected because I'm just recording the video through this application. Okay. So uh, you also got to know that you have to just come here, verify if something is consuming high, then you can just simply stop it from here. Otherwise, you can go in services.msc, and then just find out the same service, stop it, like Windows Update. Okay. And simply stop it and disable it. And if you want, the if maybe the application is not required on your system, then you can uninstall. So this totally depends on your requirement and availability of the application. Okay, so that's all. Thank you so much. And if you feel anything is not running as expected, you can comment on the video. I will let you know how it can be resolved and how it can be fixed. If you feel anything that needs to be understand, you can just comment on the video. I will help you out. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.